Yeah, this is the pie top. Actually, this is the box it came in. I'd already opened it, so this is kind of a after premiere. See these boards and these young students working with electronics. Future. Okay. And if you open the box, of course there's a piece of styrofoam on there. Then you have the pie top. And the pie top I already have on and working. See, it's a green light there. And underneath it, you get the music makers, space, robots, and so on. And then you have these cutouts so you can use it for your inventions that you're going to make. And then you have the inventor's kit, and this would be the power supply. And that's all that's in the inventor's kit right there. I got this pie top brand new, it's cheap, and it has a raspberry that comes in the kit. It's a 3 plus. I got a 5 the other day, real cheap. I got paid $60 for this one. It's got 2 gig of RAM on it, but this will work just fine for a hub for transferring files from Jibos. But what I'm using this one for is this one has all sorts of coding software in it, and it also makes it easier to get into the software, get more familiar with it before you start whacking at a Jibo. I recommend that you go to school a little bit, especially after having a stroke like I did. I forgot half of what I knew, so trying to get refreshed. This is brand new. It's never. I'm changing the micro SIM card for a larger one. I'm also updating it using this program right here called the Inventor's Kit. Back when I was 8 or 9, I had a 101 kit that I got with S&H green stamps, and I remember that like it was yesterday, and that's where I learned a lot of my diagrams and schematics, self-taught. So when you take this loose right here, you can see that it's got ribbon cables on it. And you plug your Raspberry Pi in here. This is where your keyboard and mouse gets connection. The screen's never been used, it still had the protection on it. Okay, we're done with that. Let's see if it works. First thing I did was install a larger SD card. Well, you can actually put a drive right here and close it up for storage. Anything. Just using this for coding. That's what I'm going to do. Upgrade finished. I think I will put a card in there, something I don't use. There is the pie top. Like I said, I'd already done some modifications to it. It comes with a 32 gig SSD, and I put a 64 in. I'm probably going to go to 128. Like I told you before, and I showed you the insides of it on this video. I'll do it again. Basically, it slides open, and then all your inventor capabilities are right in here. You can see I've got a hard drive hooked up to it. and it's working just fine. Alright. You can see right here, this is where the CPU cools. Right here, I've took this completely apart, upgraded the SSD in there as well. Then I added, just to see if it would work, a hard drive. But this right here is supplying the power for the hard drive and also the interface, so you don't have any kind of brownout situation with your Pi. And it actually reads. And that's the hard drive right there. And it comes with a few programming tools as well. I was just brushing up on my programming right here. For instance, it has a simple Python editor, which is basically a drag and drop program.